Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Now, a lot of you have asked, hey, can you do a video on the KLX Off Road? How does it handle? How are those tires? How's this? How's that? Well, before I do that, check this out. We have the Ricochet skid plate, and I'm going to install that because, well, let me get down here and show you. I don't know if you can see this. There's a big old scratch right there. Big old scratch right there. Yeah. Before we do any more real off-roading, we are going to take this Ricochet skid plate and install it on the bike. So it's pretty low to the ground, and I haven't even taken it really off-roading yet. It's been on dirt roads, and the rocks that are out there freaking bang up this frame like crazy. So let's show you how to install the Ricochet skid plate. Okay, now your Ricochet skid plate is going to come with 3 bolts. You've got 2 of these guys right here. They're going to go through these holes right here in the skid plate, and they're going to mount up to these holes that are right here on the KLX230S frame. Then you have this band right here that's gonna mount to this back hole on the skid plate here, and it's gonna go, let me show you, it's gonna go up and over this bar right here on the frame. So these two, you're gonna need a 10mm socket, and for this one, which is this band clamp back here, you're gonna need a 13mm socket. And they do recommend putting some Loctite on the tips of these bolts. So before you go and install it, use a little bit of drop of Loctite on there, and then you can go and install these on here. Now when you're installing this, super simple, but keep everything loose until you have everything mounted up on the frame, and then once everything's mounted like aligned and nice looking, that's when you can tighten everything down. So let's get after it. Now, this plate right here is going to slide right here, right up behind your exhaust. Get those lined up and just get these bolts started. There's that one. There's that one. Now remember, do not tighten them down until you get them all in place, everything's aligned and looks good, okay? Okay, give it all about hand tight. Once you get everything hand tight, you want to take a look and make sure everything looks like it's lined up good. Make sure it looks all nice and clean. Underneath, the side. Man, look at how much that covers. Definitely should have had it before I did that, but I mean, nice, solid piece. So once everything is aligned, you just tighten it all down and you're good. Super simple to install the Ricochet skid plate for the KLX230S. I love these skid plates. I've got them on both my TW200s, and I have beat the tar out of them. So it only makes sense to put this on the KLX230S if you're gonna do any off-roading. Now, the link will be in the description down below if you wanna pick one up. Now, the ground clearance on this thing is only like 8.5 inches. So I have noticed that with this one over my TWs, I am finding the ground a lot sooner. So it only makes sense, seriously, like I said, to pick up one of these from Ricochet. And I hope you found this video informative. Questions, comments, put those down below. Like, it's seriously like a 5-minute install on this KLX230S. Super simple. I mean, anybody can do it. All you need is 10mm and a 13mm socket, and you are set to go. So, questions, comments, put those down below. And as always, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. Plus, if you need anything for your KLX or any of your other bikes or the TWs, check out the affiliate links down below. They do help me make more videos like this, and you can get the parts. They're at no extra cost to you. I'm Matt, this is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.